Hello, students. Nowadays, we are studying the lesson on the face of it, written by Susan Hill. And in our previous video, we had known that Derry, a boy, walks slowly and cautiously through the long grass. He enters Mr. Lamb's garden. Mr. Lamb speaks to him when he is close at hand. Derry is startled. He was surprised. He's surprised. He's apologetic, and he didn't know if there was anybody there. Mr. Lamb tries to make Derry comfortable. He can pick up crab apples. Derry need not go away on Mr. Lamb's account. He doesn't mind who comes in the garden, and the gate is always open. And Derry did not need to climb over the wall of the garden. He said all of these things. And Derry says that he did not come there for stealing. Mr. Lamb assures him that he can stay there. And Derry says that people are afraid of him and they look at his face and find it terrible and ugly. And even when he himself sees his face in the mirror, he is afraid of himself. And what happened after that, we will study in the next para. So, moves to the next para. Mr. Lamb. When Derry says that he himself, afraid of him seeing himself, um, he said that when I look the mirror and see my face in the mirror, I am afraid of me. So on it, Mr. Lamb says that Mr. Lamb says no, not the whole of you, not of you. Derry, yes. Mr. Lamb says no. And Derry says yes, anybody afraid of me. Mr. Lamb said not whole of you. To see whole of you, nobody will afraid. Mr. Lamb, later on, when it's a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. And Mr. Lamb changed the subject and he said that later on, when it's a bit cooler. A bit cooler means when the weather will be a bit cooler. Um, so I will get the ladder. He said that I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. They are ripe for it. They are ripe at that time. I make jelly of those crab apples. It's a good time of year September. It is the time of September and it is the good time to make jelly and they are ripe at that time. Look at them, orange and golden, the color of the apples, look at them. That's magic fruit, I often say, but it's best picked and made into jelly. But the best use of those crab apples is to make into jelly. You could give me a hand. You could give me a hand means you can help me. You can help me in my work in making jelly of those crab apples. Derry, what have you changed the subject for? People always do that. Why don't you ask me, why do you do what they all do and pretend it is not true and it is not there? In case I see you looking and mind and get upset, I will tell you don't ask me because you are afraid to. Um, Dairy is suffers from a complex. He indulges in self pity. He indulges in self pity and he suffered by a complex. And he said that why have you changed the subject for? Why are you changing the subject? when we are talking about my face, and then you change the subject. Why? People always do that, he said. People always do that. They change the subject. Why don't you ask me about my face? Why? Why do you do what they all do? Why do you do same as the all do? All people do. And pretend. And after that, they pretend that it is not true and it is not there. Okay. And in case I see you looking at mine, and in case in reality I can understand that you are looking my face and you are minded, and then you get upset. And I know that you are thinking that my face is so ugly. I will tell you, don't ask me because you are afraid to. And I know this thing, and I will tell you that you are not asking me because you are afraid of me. You are afraid of my face. So you are not talking about my face. You are changing the subject. Okay? So you also afraid of me. Mr. Lamb, you want me to ask? Say so then. Mr. Lamb said, if you want me to ask for your about your face, so say then. Daddy, I don't like being with people, any people. He said that I don't like being with the people. I don't like the people, and I don't like to stay with the people, any people. Mr. Lamb, I should say to look at it. I should say you got burned in a fire. Mr. Lamb said that, what do you want from me? Should I say or look at it, and I should say you got burned in a fire? Daddy, not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face, and it burned it all away. It ate my face up, it ate me up, and now it's like this, and it won't ever be any different. He was so sad about his face. Not in a fire. He clarified that my face is not burnt in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face. He said that he got acid all down that side of his face, and acid burned his face all away. He said that it ate my face up, means acid ate up my face. Acid destroyed his one side of his face. It ate me up, and then he said that acid ate me up because I was so sad after that. So it ate me means it ate my happiness and myself too, and my face too. And now it's like this, and it won't ever be any different. And now it is like this, and it will not change. It won't ever be any different, any change. It will remain as same in the whole life. You can see in the picture Mr. Lamb and Daddy. Daddy's face is burnt with acid. And then Mr. Lamb said, no, Daddy, are not you interested? When Lamb said no, so Daddy asked, are not you interested in my face? Mr. Lamb, you are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I am interested in anybody, anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see? Mr. Lamb was a very wise person, and he consoled him that there is his face is not as a thing that will change his life. Mr. Lamb said, "You are a boy who came into the garden." Plenty do means many boys used to come here. I am interested in anybody or anything. I am interested in anybody or anything. When he said that you are not interested in my face, you are not talking about my face, you are afraid of my face, he blames many things. So he said that, Lamb said that I am interested in anybody or anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. He said that I interest in anything which God made. And there is no anything that God made and that does not interest me. Means I am interested in any God made things. Look over there, over beside the far wall. He indicates there and he said to him, "Look at there, look over there beside the far wall. What can you see?" And Daddy saw there and Daddy said, "Rubbish, some rubbish is there." Mr. Lamb, rubbish? And look, boy, look, what do you see? Daddy, just grass and stuff and weed. Daddy said that rubbish, that is rubbish means useless thing. But Mr. Lamb said, "Look, boy, look, what do you see? Look carefully, attentively." And Daddy said after that, "I can see there some grass and some stuff and some weed, grass and stuff. These are the useless material, some things, useless things, and weeds. Weeds is a wild plant that the bushes and some wild plant. Mr. Lamb, some call them weeds. If you like, then a weed garden that. There is fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs, all sorts. But over there, weeds. I grow weeds there. Why is one green growing plant called a weed and another a flower? Where is the difference? It's all life growing, same as you and me." Mr. Lamb tried to make him understand that life is not end, is not finished, and life is very beautiful, and there is not any different with the peoples. He said that some call them weeds, some people call them weed. Those are the wild plants. If you like, then a weed garden, and I can say that that is the weed garden. There is fruit and there are flowers too. There, there is fruit and there are flowers too, and trees and herbs, all type of flowers and trees, and there are many plant. People can say them weeds, but I I call that weed garden. But over there, weeds, I grow weeds there. I didn't mind that weed is there. I grow weed there. Why is one green growing plant called a weed? Why somebody or one can call a growing plant a weed and another a flower? A plant which you grow in your garden or in your uh, orchard or garden, you call them flower. But some same as the plant, you call them weed. Why? Where is the difference? Weed also have flower, weed also have fruit, weed also have green leaves. So why are those things are useless? Why can you say them weed, or anybody call them weed? Where is the difference? It's all life growing. It's all life. Weed also have life, as a flower have life. Flowers has life, have life. Same as you and me. Same as you and me, and we are also same. You and me. Daddy said, we are not same. Lamb, I am old, you are young. You have got a burned face, I have got a tin leg. Not important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where is the difference? Mr. Lamb said, I am old and you are young. You have got a burned face and I have got a tin leg. Because he was lame by his leg, and he had one leg. I have got a tin leg, artificial leg. Tin leg means artificial leg made by tin. And that is not important, that I have tin leg and you got burnt face. You are standing there, I am sitting here, so where is the difference? Both of us are human beings. Daddy, why have you got a tin leg? Lamb, a real one got blown off years back. Lammy lamb, some kids say. Haven't you heard them? You will lammy lamb, it fits. Doesn't trouble me. And Mr. Lamb tried to made him understand the reality. Mr. Lamb said that real one got blown off years back, got blown off in a blast, gone in a blast years back. And some kids say lammy lamb. Lammy lamb, lame means one legged person, or one leg. In Hindi we can say it is langda. So lammy lamb, some kids says, haven't you heard of them? They said me lammy lamb, and you will call me lammy lamb. It fits. It fits. It suits me because I am lame. It is reality. So the people say, so some kids says that lammy lamb. So it doesn't trouble me. I don't mind that they said me lammy lamb. Dairy. But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare. But Dairy was fixed on his point, and he said that you can put on trousers and you can cover your tin leg and no one sees it. They don't have to notice and stare. But my face, they notice it every time. They mean people, and stare at me. Mr. Lamb said, some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. And there is plenty of other things to stare at. Mr. Lamb said, some do and some don't. Some stare at you and some don't. And they get tired of it in the end. So don't worry. Don't mind that they are staring at you. They get tired of it in the end. And there is plenty of other things to stare at. There are many other things to stare. Dairy like my face. Mr. Lamb like crab apples, or weed, or a spider climbing up a silken ladder, or my tall sunflowers. There are many things to stare. There is not only your face to stare. There are many things to stare. People can stare all the things, many things, like the crab apple, like the weeds, like the spider climbing on his silken ladder, or my tall sunflowers also there. Daddy thinks, Mr. Lamb, it's all relative. Beauty and the Beast. It's all relative. Everything is relative with each other. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and Beast are also relative with each other. The beautiful things and ugly things are also related with each other. Beast means a huge animal. Dairy, what's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? What do you mean by this? That you are telling that beauty and beast are same. Mr. Lamb, you tell me. Tell me what I mean. Dairy tells the meaning of that. And Dairy tells, you need not think they haven't all told me that fairy stories before. It's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. Handsome is as handsome does. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he would have stayed a monstrous beast. I want change. Dairy said that you need not think that they have not told me. They means they refers here to the people. Dairy said that you needn't think that they have not told me all those things. They had told me everything. All the fairy tales, fairy stories. They tell me it's not what you look like. They preach me. Every people preach me. Many people preach me. And they told me that it is not what you look like, it's what you are inside. So handsome is handsome does. So these are the people consoled him by saying these words. Beauty loved a monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. That is the fairy tale. And people consoled him by telling that fairy tales, that Beauty loved the monstrous beast. Monstrous beast means a huge beast, animal, for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he would have stayed a monstrous beast, while the animal, the beast, he wanted to be stayed a monstrous beast. So same as like that, as the monstrous beast stayed as a monstrous, so I want change. I will not change. Okay, so it is the end of today's paragraph, because video is so long, and now it is the time of Hindi summary. Okay, तो हमने इसमें पढ़ा था कि किस तरह से डैरी जो है वो बहुत परेशान है और हीन भावना से ग्रसित है। वो सोचता है कि दुनिया में कोई उसको पसंद नहीं करेगा, उसका जला हुआ चेहरा देख करके सब उससे डरते हैं। और वो कहता है मैं खुद भी डर जाता हूँ जब मैं अपना चेहरा शीशे में देखता हूँ। और वो इस बात ने उसको अंदर तक हर्ट कर दिया है और वो बहुत दुखी है। इसलिए वो अकेला रहना चाहता है, लोगों का साथ पसंद नहीं करता। वो सोचता है हर कोई मुझे ही देख रहा है और मुझे नापसंद करता है। मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं नहीं नहीं, तुमको पूरे होल ऑफ यू, अगर तुमको पूरे रूप से देखा जाए तो कोई नहीं डरता तुमसे। डैरी कहता है नहीं नहीं, यस। फिर थोड़ी देर दोनों चुप हो जाते हैं। फिर मिस्टर लैम थोड़ा सा टॉपिक बदल देते हैं। वो कहते हैं कि देखो जब थोड़ा सा मौसम ठंडा होगा तो मैं एक सीढ़ी लूँगा, एक स्टिक लूँगा और ये जो भी क्रैब एप्पल्स हैं इन सबको मैं नीचे गिराऊँगा, क्योंकि ये तब पक जाएंगे और मैं इनसे फिर जेली बनाऊँगा। और सितंबर का महीना जेली बनाने के लिए बहुत बेहतरीन होता है। और देखो इन सबको, देखो क्या ऑरेंज कलर के हैं, कुछ गोल्डन कलर के हैं, क्या मैजिक फ्रूट है। और मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि ये मैजिक फ्रूट हैं और मैं इनसे ये सबसे बेहतरीन होते हैं जेली बनाने के लिए। और क्या तुम भी मेरी मदद करोगे, तुम भी मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो जेली बनाने के लिए। लेकिन डैरी समझ जाता है। डैरी कहता है आप सब्जेक्ट चेंज क्यों कर रहे हैं, सारे लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं। वो मेरे चेहरे के बारे में बात ही नहीं करना चाहते क्योंकि डरते हैं मेरे चेहरे को देख के। मेरे चेहरे को नापसंद करते हैं, मेरे चेहरे को भद्दा समझते हैं, इसीलिए वो मेरे चेहरे के बारे में बात ही नहीं करना चाहते सब लोग। और आप भी ऐसी कर रहे हो। आप मुझसे पूछते क्यों नहीं हो कि क्या हुआ मेरे चेहरे को? और सब ये दिखावा करते हैं कि नहीं ये सच है, ये नहीं है, ये है। और इसका रियलिटी में मीनिंग ये है कि आप खुद भी मेरे चेहरे को देख के डर रहे हैं, आप मेरे चेहरे को देख के अपसेट हैं। और मैं आपको बता दूं कि तुम भी मुझे देख के डर रहे हो, मेरे चेहरे को देख के डर रहे हो। मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं कि तुम क्या चाहते हो कि मैं तुमसे क्या पूछूं? मैं तुम्हारे चेहरे के बारे में पूछूं? तो ठीक है, बताओ। डैरी कहता है कि मैं लोगों के साथ रहना पसंद नहीं करता। मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं कि मुझे क्या कहना चाहिए? मुझे ये कहना चाहिए, मुझे ये लगता है शायद तुम्हारा चेहरा जो है किसी आग में जला है। डैरी कहता है नहीं नहीं, आग में नहीं जला, मेरे चेहरे पर एसिड गिर गया था एक साइड में, और उस एसिड ने मेरे चेहरे को जला दिया, उसने मेरा पूरा चेहरा खा दिया, उसने मुझे भी खा दिया। ऐसा क्यों कहता है मुझे भी खा दिया? मतलब उसके अंदर की जितनी हैप्पीनेस थी, जितनी खुशियाँ थी, वो सब खत्म हो गई। उस एसिड ने मुझे भी खा दिया, मुझे भी मार दिया। और अब ये ऐसा ही रहेगा, ये चेंज नहीं होने वाला, अब ये हमेशा ही ऐसा रहेगा। और वो इसलिए दुखी है। लैम कहते हैं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। डेयरी कहता है क्या आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हैं इसको जानने में? मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं तुम एक लड़के हो जो कि यहाँ इस गार्डन में आए हो, बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं और मैं हर किसी में इंटरेस्टेड होता हूँ, हर किसी से बात करना चाहता हूँ, हर किसी में इंटरेस्ट लेता हूँ, हर चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट लेता हूँ। केवल तुम ये सोच रहे हो कि मेरे चेहरे से इंटरेस्ट नहीं, मुझे हर चीज़ से इंटरेस्ट। और भगवान ने जो चीज़ें बनाई हैं मुझे हर चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है। देखो वहाँ देखो, सामने ही दीवार के पास तुमको कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है? बताओ क्या दिखाई देता है तुम? डेयरी कहता है वहाँ तो कूड़ा कबाड़ा पड़ा है, रबिश। मिस्टर लैम कहता है कि खाली रबिश है वहाँ? देखो देखो लड़के, ध्यान से देखो वहाँ क्या है। फिर डेयरी ध्यान से देखता है, वो कहता है कि हाँ कुछ घास है, कुछ यूजलेस मटेरियल पड़ा हुआ है, और कुछ वीड्स है, मतलब जंगली पौधे हैं, झाड़ी सी है, कूड़ा कबाड़ा है। मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं कि कुछ लोग उसको वीड्स कहते हैं। वीड होता है ना, जैसे हमारे खेतों में गार्डन में घास जम जाता है, हम उसको घास को हटाते हैं और फिर नए नए पौधे लगाते हैं फ्लावर के। तो वो कहता है कि जो जंगली घास जमा हुआ है, लोग इसको वीड कहते हैं, जंगली घास कहते हैं। और मैं इसको वीड गार्डन कहता हूँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पर फ्रूट भी हैं, फ्लावर्स भी हैं, ट्रीज भी हैं, हर्ब्स भी हैं, हर तरह की चीज़ें हैं, और वीड भी है। मैंने तो वीड उगाया है वहाँ, मैं उसको काटता नहीं हूँ। वीड गार्डन है ये, मैं उसको वीड रहने देता हूँ। कोई एक ग्रीन प्लांट, जो वीड प्लांट है वो भी तो ग्रीन है, उसकी भी लीव्स ग्रीन है, उस पर भी फ्लावर है, उस पर भी फ्रूट आता है, उसके जैसा छोटा जो भी है, जैसे भी आता है। तो कोई एक प्लांट को फ्लावर कहता है, उसको पसंद करता है, उसको अपने गमलों में लगाता है, अपने गार्डन में लगाता है, और दूसरे को वीड कहता है, जबकि दोनों सेम हैं, दोनों में फ्लावर है, दोनों में ग्रीन लीव्स हैं, दोनों में लाइफ है। तो फिर ये डिफरेंस कहाँ है? तो क्यों आप एक को घास कहते हो, जंगली घास कहते हो, दूसरे को फ्लावर कहते हो? नहीं, कोई डिफरेंस है ही नहीं इसमें, जैसे तुम में और मुझ में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, हम दोनों एक जैसे हैं। डेयरी कहता है कि हम दोनों एक जैसे है ही नहीं। लैम्ब कहते हैं कि क्यों नहीं है हम दोनों एक जैसे? मैं बूढ़ा हूँ, तुम जवान हो, तुम्हारा जला हुआ चेहरा है, मेरी टिन की लैग है, आर्टिफिशियल लैग है, टिन की बनी हुई। नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, लेकिन ये इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है। तुम खड़े हो, मैं बैठा हूँ, वेयर इज़ द डिफरेंस? कहाँ डिफरेंस है? डेयरी कहता है आपकी ये टिन लैग क्यों है? मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं कि जो असली लैग थी मेरी, वो एक धमाके में उड़ गई थी सालों पहले, और अब बच्चे मुझे लैमी लैम कहते हैं। लैमी लैम माने लंगड़ा लैम कहते हैं। क्या तुमने नहीं सुना है उनको मुझे लंगड़ा लैम्ब कहते हुए? नहीं सुना है तो सुन लोगे। और ये मुझे फिट भी करता है, सूट करता है मुझे, क्योंकि मैं हूँ लंगड़ा। रियलिटी में वास्तव में लंगड़ा हूँ मैं, मेरे पास एक ही टांग है, दूसरी आर्टिफिशियल है। लेकिन मैं इसको माइंड ही नहीं करता हूँ, ये मुझे ट्रबल नहीं देता है, मुझे परेशान नहीं करता है कि लोग मुझे लैम्बी लैम्ब कहते, जैसे तुम परेशान हो कि तुम्हारा जला हुआ चेहरा है। मैं परेशान नहीं हूँ। डेरी कहता है लेकिन आप तो इसको ट्राउज़र के अंदर छिपा लेते हो, ये किसी को दिखता नहीं है, कोई इसको घूरता नहीं है, नोटिस नहीं करता, क्योंकि वो आपके ट्राउज़र के अंदर आप छिपा सकते हो। मैं तो चेहरा सामने दिखता है सबको, इसलिए लोग घूरते हैं मुझे देख के। लैम्ब कहते हैं कि कुछ ऐसा करते हैं, कुछ नहीं भी करते, और कुछ ऐसा करते करते थक जाते हैं, घूरते घूरते थक जाते हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं दुनिया में घूरने के लिए, और चीज़ों को भी देख सकते हैं। डायरी कहता है हाँ, जैसे मेरा चेहरा है घूरने के लिए, वो बार बार अपने चेहरे पर ले आता है बात। लैम्ब कहते हैं कि हाँ, जैसे क्रैब एप्पल्स हैं, वीड है, स्पाइडर अपने सिल्कन लैडर पर चढ़ती है, और मेरे टॉल सनफ्लावर्स हैं, सूरजमुखी के फूल हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं देखने के लिए। डेरी कहता है हाँ, चीज़ें तो बहुत हैं। मिस्टर लैम्ब कहते हैं कि और सारी चीज़ें आपस में एक दूसरे से संबंधित हैं, एक दूसरे से रिलेशन में रखती हैं, एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं। ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट, सुंदरता और बीस्ट। बीस्ट यहाँ पर पशु है, पशु माने जिसको अगली माना जाता है, और ब्यूटी माने सुंदरता। सुंदरता हो चाहे अगलीनेस हो, सब एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए। डैरी को समझ में नहीं आता, वो कहता है कि आपका क्या मतलब है? लैम्ब कहते हैं तुम मुझे बताओ कि तुम क्या सोचते हो इस बारे में, तुम क्या मीनिंग निकाल सकते हो इसका। डेरी कहता है आपको मुझे ये बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि लोगों ने मुझको इस तरह से कंसोल पहले नहीं किया होगा। लोग मुझे उपदेश देते हैं, इसी तरह का देते हैं जैसे तुम दे रहे हो। मुझे वही फेरी टेल्स सुनाते हैं, ब्यूटी एंड बीस्ट वाली। जो आप ब्यूटी और बीस्ट की बात कर रहे हो, वो ब्यूटी और बीस्ट की जो फेरी टेल है वो भी मुझे सुनाते हैं। और लोग ये कहते हैं कि तुम जो हो वो जो बाहर से दिखाई देते हो ऐसे नहीं हो, तुम जो अंदर से होते हो वही असलियत में होती है चीज़ें। और सुंदर उसको कहा जाता है कि जो सुंदर काम करे, बाहर देखने से कुछ नहीं होता। ब्यूटी जो है वो मॉन्स्टर्स बीस्ट को किस करती है और फिर वो एक हैंडसम प्रिंस बन जाता है। ये फेरी टेल्स भी मैंने सुनी हुई है, लोग मुझे इसको सुनाते हैं। और वो जो मॉन्स्टर्स बीस्ट है, हालांकि वो बीस्ट ही बने रहना चाहता है, इसी तरह से मैं भी कभी चेंज नहीं होऊंगा। लैम्ब कहते हैं इन दैट वे नो यू वांट, इस तरह से तो तुम चेंज वास्तव में नहीं हो सकते। तो आज का हमारा लेसन यहीं पर एंड होता है, और बाकी लेसन फिर हम इसके बाद आगे पढ़ेंगे। ओके, सो आपको इसके बाद क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे, उनके आंसर करने। थैंक यू।